When we look back in time on a global scale, total solar eclipses aren't all that rare. Brian Kohler of the Truergy Planetarium in Mystic explains.
A solar eclipse happens on average about once every 18 months. But then it's a matter of where is that eclipse. Sometimes it's over Antarctica, or sometimes it's in the middle of the Atlantic. And this one is unique because it really cuts across North America.
And they've been happening for millennia. The oldest recorded eclipse in human history may have been over 5,000 years ago in 3340 BCE. The ancient Babylonians were one of many groups that kept track of eclipses and the movement of the planets, like on this tablet. They also thought eclipses were bad omens for their rulers, so they put in a substitute king to face the anger of the gods instead of the actual king. Not cool. More accurate interpretations and predictions of solar eclipses came during the current era. One of those astronomers was Ptolemy, who wrote the Almagest, which included information on eclipses and other astronomy topics. Connecticut was in the path of totality for the eclipse on June 16, 1806. Okay, part of the state was in totality. Between 1806 and Connecticut's next time in totality, a total solar eclipse also helped scientists discover helium in 1868. Connecticut once again found itself in the path of totality in the 20th century. On the morning of January 25, 1925, the moon covered the sun for most of our state. These photos were taken during the eclipse in Willimantic. Cars pulled over off the road in Rockville to take in the sights on that cold morning. A partial eclipse was seen from our state in 1994 when the sun was about 85% covered.
It's pretty amazing.
That's very, very nice.
In 2024, the sun will be about 90 to 95% covered from southeast to northwest.
So what I've been describing for visitors is they can expect to see, it's sort of like a crescent sun.
Which is better than we saw back in 2017, when the sun wasn't covered nearly as much.
It's gonna be a helmet, but it looks like a half helmet.
Like I never seen this in my life, ever.
But if you tilt your head, you can kind of see the helmet a little more.
So what's next? May 1st, 2079. The entire state will be in totality, and consider this your first reminder to set your alarms because maximum eclipse is expected just after 6 a.m.